Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez, or should I say Frosty Tinez. Welcome, everybody. It is Friday. Good morning, Joya.
Good morning, Good morning, Frostiness.
Thank
Good
you.
morning, Luca, and good morning, Liv.
Good morning, Liv, Joya, and Frostiness.
Good morning.
Good morning. Liv is our special guest. We're going to tell you all about Liv in just a minute. But first, we have a brand new flag from Charlotte. And Charlotte is in the first grade. She submitted this wonderful flag for us today. Thank you, Charlotte. Joya, lead us in our Pledge of Allegiance.
Place your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay. All right. Thank you to Charlotte, who submitted that awesome flag. Very happy Friday to everybody. Today's December 4th, 2020. It is freezing outside. Guys, are you guys just chilly? Are you freezing?
Yeah.
I had to bust out the light beanie.
I like the light beanie. It is, I don't know if it started snowing at your house yet. Liv, it looks like it's not snowing at your house yet, but it's snowing at mine. And recently, just last year, we put a roof in our house. I've got this remote control that opens up the roof, and I'm gonna see if I can open it right now and we can get some snow to come in here. Let's see. Okay, all right, that takes just a minute. Usually when I open that roof, this plant comes right over here by me. Pay no attention to my right arm, but let's see if, oh, wait, let's see. Okay, it's starting to snow in here. I don't know if, can you guys see the snow coming in yet? Can you see it?
Oh,
Like that.
It's,
I see it on your hand.
it's
Yeah.
freezing.
Little
It's
bits of
freezing.
collecting.
I'm gonna close that roof real quick. Okay, hold on. All right. Oh, whew. Oh my gosh, it was so cold out there. So very happy Friday. Hopefully it starts snowing at your house very soon. We have Liv with us, and Liv is our special guest. She won our AGC raffle yesterday, and let's get to meet her, Joya.
Tell everyone what grade you're in and who's your teacher.
I'm in Mrs. Saletta's class, and I'm in second grade.
Liv, what's your favorite holiday movie?
The Grinch.
Ooh, I love The Grinch. Have you guys all seen The Grinch? Joya, Luke, have you seen The Grinch?
Yes.
I've seen all 3 versions.
Okay, yeah, I like them all. Liv, I don't know if are you planning on joining us tonight for Frosty Night?
Yes.
And what are you looking forward to more than anything tonight?
The gingerbread houses.
Oh, the gingerbread houses. So remember, have you made the frame of your house already yet, or are you going to do that this afternoon?
I might do it this afternoon.
Okay, so just try to do it before 6 o'clock. And at 6 o'clock tonight, everybody, we're going to spotlight different families as they decorate their houses. You want to make the frame first because it takes a little while for that to kind of stick together and hold together. And at 6 o'clock, we're going to put all the decorations. Joya, do you have all your stuff ready?
Yes.
Okay, Luca, how about you?
Yep, it's not here right now, but I have it already.
Okay, all right. Well, listen, today's Friday. Liv, I'm sure you're aware, every Friday, Luca does Luca's Laudable Laughs. He's going to take over the screen right now, and he has a different prompt every week. I've got to get this snow off me a little bit because it's so cold in here. Luca, what was the theme again this week?
So for this week, the theme was for you guys to share your favorite holiday movies.
Okay, so let's see what we got.
Because we do have Frosty Night today, where we're going to play another holiday movie today. So this is Finn right here. And, well, lots of people said that they loved the movie Elf. But I found that this one was the most creative because you can see his head. He is the face of Will Ferrell.
Shout out to Finn. That is awesome the way that he put that together. We all love Elf. Great job there, Finn.
This is Isaiah.
All right, Isaiah. And that's one of my favorite holiday movies too, Charlie Brown's Christmas, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice work, Isaiah.
This is Bentley. He submitted Home Alone.
Okay, that's a classic, right? That's a classic. Joy, have you seen that one?
I have. I've seen 1 and 2. But I
What
haven't
about
seen
you,
2.
Liv? Have you seen Home Alone? Ooh, maybe this holiday season. Check that one out.
Yeah, you should see it. It's really good.
Ooh.
This is Sophia.
And Liv's favorite holiday movie right there.
The Grinch.
You're a mean one.
That is great.
Hey, Kayla.
She loves the Frosty the Snowman movie, which we are gonna play tonight.
And Kayla, that's my favorite one also. We can't wait for it tonight at 6 o'clock.
That's all, folks.
All right, so thank you to everybody that submitted to Luca's Laudable Laughs. Remember, Luca has a link on our website where you can go, and probably, usually every Sunday, he changes it for the following week. All right, Luca, go ahead and give me the screen back. And you already heard from Luca that the theme for next week is gonna be what, Luca?
Okay, so next week, Mr. Martinez is attending a yo-yo class in Greece, a Zoom, with a yo-yo master, so he can't join us on the morning announcement. So instead, on the various days, enrichment teachers will be posing as the co-host for every single morning announcements. So my question to you guys is, what is your favorite enrichment at Carpenter and why?
Excellent. And you know, speaking of that, Luca, we're going to have on Monday, Mrs. Belatesh will be here with Joya. On Tuesday, Miss Ray will be here. On Wednesday, Coach Marty takes over the morning announcements. On Thursday, Mr. Benson will be here. And then next Friday, Mr. Lincoln is hosting the morning announcements with Joy. So it's big, big week for sure. Hey guys, I'm in the holiday spirit and so excited about movie night. I want to play a quick game. Do you guys want to play a game?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, so this is a quick game. It's only 1 minute. Joya, you're going to set your timer when I say go, all right?
Okay.
And we're going to go in order. It's going to go Liv, Joya, Luca, and then Frostitinas. And the theme for this game is winter. So you have to think of a word related to winter. The next person has to take the last letter and think of another word related to winter before it passes to the next person. We're going to try to go around twice in 1 minute. Do you think we can do it? Okay, we have no idea. Liv is going to start. So remember, Liv, you go first and then you go after me. Liv, okay, wait, Joy, get your timer ready. Go ahead. You want to set it?
Do I say the whole word?
The whole word, yeah. Are we ready, Joya? Okay, Liv, go.
Snowman.
Oh, not hot.
Go, Luca.
Trees.
Snow. Back to you, Liv.
Winter.
Good, yeah, that'll work. Go, Joya.
Ripe grapes.
Ripe what?
We always eat a lot of grapes around
Okay,
the
okay.
holidays.
S, Luca. We're back to you, Luca. S.
Sledding.
And then gingerbread house. I think we got it. Did we get 8? How much time is left?
15 seconds.
Oh my gosh, we did all that. We got around twice with 15 seconds. Guys, today is Friday. We always have a Unity Fair family video. We have a brand new one today, and I'm gonna put it up on our screen now, and let's enjoy it. It highlights a family at our school that has roots in Singapore. Here you go. Oh wait, and you know what? I didn't do the audio. Let me do the audio. Hold on 1 sec. And go.
Hi, my name is Avery. This is my sister Harper, and
I say hello.
Our family's from Singapore, the Lion City, it's like really, it's about like right down there at the tip of the southernmost part of Asia. And it's like 280 square miles coast to coast. And this is one of the 4 Asian tigers, which means it's like one of the biggest countries in Asia. And then 5.5 million people live there. And its official languages are Chinese, English, Malay, and Tamil. And its climate is like a tropical rainforest, kind of.
We speak English and Chinese.
And this is a $5 bill from Singapore. And this is a $2 bill from Singapore. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Singaporeans eat. They this, and this.
What is it?
I like.
All right, shout out to the Thompson family for sending that. What'd you guys think?
That was really cool.
Yeah,
Yep.
we learned a lot about Singapore and their geography and what languages they speak and what foods they eat there.
Liv, didn't the cities look really beautiful? Yeah, really nice. So shout out to the Thompson family. We love our Friday Unity Fair family videos. Thank you so much for sending that in. Guys, we just want to remind everybody tonight, remember Frosty Night starts at 6 o'clock. Your parents have all the information about it, all the Zoom information and the passcode. I look forward to seeing everybody for that. Guys, let's do our words of wisdom. Boys and girls, did you know that being a big person means more than being a tall person or a large person or an older person? A big person could be a person living inside a very small body.
A big person can be a person who is only 7 years old.
So how could that be? A big person? Well, the truth is, a truly big person is someone who is big on the inside, someone who is kind and caring to others.
Somebody wise once said,
Love stretches your heart and makes you big on the inside.
So be a big person. Be big on the inside where it really counts and show kindness to others.
with something to think about, this is Frosty Teenis.
And Joya.
And Luca.
And Liv.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours. Guys, we look forward to seeing everybody tonight at Frosty Night. Liv, thank you for joining us today. Liv, do you have any shout outs for anybody?
I'm gonna give a shout out to my friend Evie and my dog and my mom.
Oh, very nice, Liv. We hope. Excellent. We hope you have a great day at school today, everybody. Remember, at 6 o'clock tonight, we know how to work the video. We know how to work the mute on these webinars. We look forward to having everybody with us tonight for a fun event. We're going to do some dancing tonight also. We want to see your gingerbread houses, and we're going to play a game. Remember, I'm giving away prizes. I'm giving away Frosties. I'm giving away puzzles. I'm giving away M&M gingerbread houses. I'm giving away hot chocolate kits. And I'm also giving away the movie, Frosty the Snowman. All that takes place tonight. Guys, have a great day, and I'll see you tonight, all right?
Bye. See you.
Bye, guys.